You know, PEZ makes me extremely happy. And yeah, it's exciting to do these videos. Very much so. Oh, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, thinking of you? Well, thank you. Isn't that a pretty flower? Oh my. Wait, right? They didn't write anything. Okay. But they were thinking of me. That's all I needed to know. Well, I'm thinking of you too. But more importantly, I'm thinking about what you sent me, and we are going to use it as an educational tool. Now, some of us have a bad dog. Yeah, we're talking about you, Pluto. Yeah. Still there. Still there. Right there. Oh, look, you can see the teeth marks on it. This was a rooster PEZ dispenser. Apparently, it was the tastiest one. Because unfortunately, someone acquired a new puppy, and the puppy had a taste for PEZ. Mainly a PEZ rooster. And here are the pieces that the dog managed to chew up. Now, I can't put this together. I'm not going to put this together and do all that. But if you do look around at some of these little pieces, you don't want your little doggy to be eating this stuff. Oh, wait a minute. That's candy. Oh, there was candy in the dispenser. Maybe that's why the dog went after it. Really chewed that head good. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe we're learning together, because that right there, that's candy. All right, so we learned something. So we not only want to keep our PEZ away from our little doggies, because sometimes dogs can be bad. And when they are, this may happen to your PEZ. But more importantly, something like this, I mean, look at that. You don't want to eat that. Your dog doesn't know any better. So, if you get a chance, when you do acquire your PEZ, make sure you take out the candy. Or put it in a case that can protect it from little doggies and protect little doggies from vicious, vicious shards of not good things for little doggies. So there you go, a public service announcement about your PEZ. And wow. Thank you for sharing this with me so I can inform and educate everybody about the many different things that we learn every single day. So until next time.